One of the strengths of our products is that we use off-the-shelf parts, but one of the inherent weaknesses of those parts is that they have variance in them. And so as part of our process and our manufacturing is we actually go through calibration to put in biases and offsets to make them more stable in commercial applications. As part of our manufacturing process, we do screening of all the hardware that we receive from our contract manufacturers, and that includes power testing, functioning, GPS receivers, IMUs. They all get checked before they go out the door and before we even start the calibration process. So at the beginning and at the end before it's sent to our end user. The amount of care that we take into our products is evident in the time that we also take in the calibration and vetting process of each one of our sensors. We check every single one of them for the barometer, the IMUs, the GPS, the processors, make sure that every function and serial port actually behaves as we would expect throughout the calibration process. And so you can rest assured that we are sending out the very highest quality that we are able.